Imagine leaving one of India's most prestigious organizations, ISRO, to build a rocket company from scratch. Most people would call it a crazy decision. But for Pawan Kumar Chandana, it became the beginning of one of India's biggest startup success stories. Born in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, faced academic struggles in school and has spoken about scoring only around 50 marks in mathematics at one stage. Studied aerospace engineering at IIT Kharagpur. Joined ISRO after graduation. Worked on rocket propulsion and launch vehicle development. Dreamed of space. Naga Bharat Dhaka, former ISRO engineer, worked alongside Pawan. Together they believed India's private sector could build world-class rockets. In 2018 they resigned from ISRO. Many people thought they were making a huge mistake. Instead, they started Skyroot Aerospace in Hyderabad. The difficult beginning: no rockets, no factories, no launch pad, no billion-dollar investors, only a small office and a dream. Then came India's biggest change. In 2020, the government of India opened the space sector to private companies. Suddenly startups like Skyroot could use ISRO facilities. That changed everything. Funding journey 2021. Series A raised around $11 million. Major investors started believing in Skyroot. 2022 raised additional funding to accelerate rocket development. 2023 raised another $27.5 million led by Temasek. 2026 raised $60 million. Valuation crossed approximately $1.1 billion, making Skyroot India's first space tech unicorn. Rise 2022. Skyroot launched Vikram S. It became the first Indian private rocket to reach space. Huge achievement. Then years of testing followed. Finally, 2026, Mission Agman. Vikram 1 successfully reached orbit. 6 payloads entered low Earth orbit. India became one of the few countries where a private company achieved orbital launch capability. Was there any fall? Skyroot hasn't experienced a dramatic business collapse. Instead, its biggest challenges were building rockets from scratch, raising money for expensive technology, competing with global launch companies, delays due to testing and safety requirements, proving that an Indian startup could succeed in orbital launches. These were obstacles rather than a fall, and overcoming them became part of the company's story. Future Skyroot plans commercial launches. Global satellite demand is increasing rapidly. India wants to expand its space economy significantly over the next decade. Companies like Skyroot could become major exporters of launch services. Just a few years ago, Skyroot was a small startup with a bold dream. Today, it has become India's first space tech unicorn and proved that private Indian companies can build and launch orbital rockets. This isn't just Skyroot's success, it marks the beginning of a new era for India's private space industry.